all the cheese, everything just melt. Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some potato salad. That's my potato. I cut them up as you can see, and I'm also gonna add some carrot to it. I cut the carrot a bit chunky. I never done it like this before. This is new. And I'm also gonna use mixed vegetable, butter, cheese, salt, black pepper, and mayonnaise. So here I have a pot on the stove. I had some hot water to it. So now I'm gonna add my potato and my carrot, and I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, because I don't want the potato to become too soft. And now I'm gonna also add my salt and my black pepper. And I'm gonna also add some vegetable oil. Give it a stir. And my stove is on medium. So now I'm just gonna allow it to cook, guys. And make sure you cover your pot. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my potato salad, and instead of using milk or cream, I'm just gonna use coconut milk. I never done this before. This is actually my first time. It's good to try something new, right? So I'm using half of a cup of coconut milk, and just stir it. Then I'm gonna add my black pepper and my salt. That's half a teaspoonful. Give it a stir. This is gonna be so delicious. Then I'm gonna add my butter. I melt my butter in the microwave. Just make sure it all blend in. And now I'm gonna add my cheese. I'm gonna give it a taste. That is so good. So creamy. It's so nice. I'm very impressed. So I'm just gonna leave it as that. So my potato and my carrot is finally finished, and this is what it looked like. Just make sure you don't cook out your potato so it became very soft. This is how it should look. So I'm just gonna remove the water from it. So this is what it look like after I throw off all the water. So now I'm gonna add all my liquid that I made with my mayonnaise, coconut cream, just give it a stir. Just take your time. That's so creamy. It looks so good. Look at that. So delicious. The cheese all melt. I'm just gonna taste it now. That is delicious. You can taste the cheese, the coconut cream. Absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do give this recipe a try. I'm just gonna plate it up for you and show you how it looks on the plate. So this is how my potato salad looks on the plate. Looking absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.